again. It's a rich thing.
Welcome back to another video. Hope everybody's doing fine and well, having a great day. Welcome if you are new. So today I'm going to be using some of the Btartbox Xcoat tips. These are in the blue version. I think there's 5 different shades of blue in each of these packs. I've got them in 2 different sizes. I've got them in, I think these were the long square and these are the short square. I've got them in 2 different base colours as well. I think the long base colours were pink and the short base colour was in a kind of nude colour. First guys, I've got a little something Melodysusie has sent over for me to unbox and show you. So this is the S Pro or nail dust collector, and this is the cordless and rechargeable one. So they have got a corded version of this. They're pretty much identical. The only difference that I could physically see was the thickness of this was about 3 inches thick, and I think that's just obviously where the battery is on the bottom. So where the H Pro has just got legs on the bottom, this one hasn't got the legs, it's just got a thicker base, I think, where the battery is. But the filter and the whole overall design, everything about it is exactly the same. I think this would be perfect, you know, for people that travel, mobile nail techs, or if you just want to take your dust collector to a family member's house, friend's house. I think the power and the speeds and everything are the same. It's got the low, medium and high. Fantastic little dust collector. My hands are really small and look at the size. I think it's about 7.5 inches across, which is tiny, but it does pack a punch. I have got a discount code and I'll leave all the links down in my description box. Right, so back to these Xcoat tips. I am going to be using some of these tips today and doing a little design. I will just quickly show you the colours. I'll just show you from the side there so you can see they kind of start from a darkish, not quite a navy blue, like a darkish royal blue, and they just get lighter and lighter, don't they? These are also available, I think they've got them in almond, coffin, oval, and as for the different lengths, we've got them short, medium, long. And these Xcoat tips, they've even got special designs like cat eye and ombre. They've got so many to choose from on their website now. And for anybody that doesn't know about the Xcoat tips, they have got a pre-applied tip primer, which is a patented feature, and that's just where the nail tip has got a built-in primer, and it helps with adhesion and longevity without needing a base coat. Saves so much time and effort. Right, so let's have a quick look at these ones. I'm not going to spend too much time looking at these long ones because they're exactly the same. They've just got that different base colour. So can you see how that's nude? These longer ones are pink. I liked the nude, but now I've pulled the pink out, I'm quite liking those pink ones. I like the length of the pink ones as well. So they've got exactly the same shades of blue that I just showed you on the shorter version. So just take a quick look at them. Depending on what base colour you've got, some of these blues do pop a lot better on the nude, and I think some of them pop a lot better on the pink. So this is the colour I've decided to go with today. It's not the darkest one, it's the one up from the darkest one. It's like a lighter kind of royal blue. I'd even maybe call that a neon blue, I don't know. And I've also got, which is new for me, it's not new for the website, it's new for me, but this is the gooseneck nail lamp that is available on the Btartbox website. I much prefer a gooseneck nail lamp. They've got so much more room under them. It's not a wireless, it does need to be plugged in, but I just much prefer a gooseneck lamp. So it's just got an on-off button with a 30-second timer. Perfect, convenient, love it. So that can literally just sit off to the side of the desk or wherever you sat, and you've just got so much more room available underneath it, haven't you? You're not restricted to tiny little gaps in those other little lamps that I don't like. Right, and then this is the French Protecting Duo. So this is essentially everything you need to get these tips applied and to last up to 30 days. So we've got number 1, your builder gel, number 2, your top coat. Your builder gel is so important to protect this French, the blue part. Whatever design is on these nails, it stops them from being chipped and the blue bits coming off. So that builder gel is really important. And then we've got your gel glue, what we're going to use to apply these nails. And I've also got a little nail file ready. So that's my 5 nail sizes ready to go. I'm going to use my handy dandy little cuticle pusher nail file kind of thing. So these are just little stickers there. I think I got this, I think this is a Madame Glam one actually, and I bought the little sanding bands off Temu. So I'm just going to kind of push my cuticles back and really etch up my natural nail. Get your natural nail really nice and scratched up. This is going to really help with your nails to last up to them 30 days as well. So I'm just using isopropyl alcohol now, get rid of all that dust. And that's my nail prep pretty much done. Not a lot of nail prep today because I have been doing it off camera a lot. But I have got videos with a bit more in-depth nail prep if you want to go and watch those. So I'm going straight on to the inside of this nail tip with the gel glue. I like to coat the inside of the tip where it's going to be stuck to my nail. And I always put a tiny little bit extra as well. So I'm just going to press it down at my cuticle area. Lower that tip. And you can slightly see through them. So you will see when that nail glue, when you're pressing the nail down, you will see that glue slowly spreading out, covering your natural nail. And when you see that that glue has got to the very tip and completely covered your natural nail, you want to get it straight under the lamp then. I normally just do 10-15 seconds flash cure, and then at the end they are going to need to go into like a full size lamp for a 30 or 60 seconds cure, I think it is. So I will just quickly show you doing one more, and then I'll do the last 2 off camera. So I'm just going to press it down at my cuticle area. I'll watch that glue spread across my nail, and then quick flash cure under the nail lamp. Voila! So quick and easy, guys. So quick and easy. And these are, if your nail prep is done properly, they will last, I promise you, up to 30 days. So I've just got rid of those little notchy bits where they're attached to the, you know, the plastic stick thingy-me-bob. Right, so that's them all applied. They've had a nice clean with some alcohol. So keeping this beginner friendly, quick and easy, I pulled out some stickers. I think they call these hibiscus flowers. Before I put those on, because these nails are quite matte, stickers don't like to stick to them. These nail tips, they've got kind of matte coating on them, and that's so that I think you can just put nail art directly onto that surface, but stickers don't like to stick to it. So I'm going in with the builder gel first from the Protecting Duo, and make sure you cap that free edge. So you'll see what I do with my brush, where that blue tip is, I'm going to completely cap it down the sides and right across the tip, just to protect it over the next 30 days so it's not going to chip or peel off. And once they come out the lamp, I'm going to wipe the tacky layer off, and then that's what I'm going to put the stickers onto. Before I top coat, I'm going to put the stickers onto this builder gel. So I'll just let you watch for a sec, guys. I'll just show you doing a small handful of stickers, and I'll do the rest off camera. Also, guys, make sure you get these stickers really flat all around the edges, because when it comes to top coat, you don't want any of your top coat going under these stickers, because they'll peel up or your nails just won't be completely smooth. So try your best to make sure your stickers are completely flat before you go in with your top coat. So now I'm happy with where all my stickers are. I'm going to go over now with the top coat, and same as what I did with the builder gel, I'm just going to cap that free edge as well. I always cap the free edge on every set that I'm doing when I'm top coating. So yeah, I'm going to cap that free edge, and that'll be this set finished. Super quick, super easy, and they're going to last up to 30 days. Longer if your nails grow so slowly. They could even last longer. They're going to last until you physically take them off. They stay put, guys. They really do. So there we go. That is them finished. I'm not a blue person, but I quite like these. These remind me of like early 2000s. This is the kind of design that every salon did. It was this or a French, wasn't it? Or an ombre. But yeah, anyway guys, that is it for today. I will leave a link and discount codes for the Melodysusie cordless rechargeable dust collector, and of course I will leave links and discount codes to the Btartbox products as well. Everything will be down in my description box. Thanks for watching, guys. Please remember to give the video a quick thumbs up, subscribe to the channel if you're not already, and hopefully I'll see you all back in my next one. Take care, bye.